What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I got something a little different going on. So I'm gonna be playing a little bit of a practical joke, a prank if you will, on a pretty big YouTuber, a friend of mine, Darrius Anderson, the biggest motocross dirt bike rider on the entire planet pretty much. I'm not gonna speak too much. All I'm gonna tell you guys is that I've got some neon food coloring and we're about to go play a little prank on him. So should be pretty interesting. I just left Publix, so we're gonna head to his house and go meet up with him and have some fun with this one. I got off work and immediately got on the road because Darrius lives almost, actually over an hour from me. So if I was gonna be able to, you know, go meet up with him and try and prank him today, I was gonna have to get my ass on the road. Oh man. Oh man. You showing me up right now. I feel like I'm not a real, oh yeah, oh yeah. I feel like I wouldn't be a real YouTuber if I didn't hop out of my truck with my camera on. Hi, look how quickly we got there, see?
You got lucky.
See?
Just by me.
You smell my doggies? I got a husky and 3 little dogs. That was quick. Like me now?
Is he approved, Chase? What up, man?
How's it going?
Sir, man.
Hell yeah. You live way out here.
No.
You live way out here. Oh, he's got some mud tires on there.
I'm light.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Chase, if you don't stop sniffing this butt.
Some 33s. Do I smell good or bad? Let me know. I just got off work, so.
Hey man, I want you to give me a solid rating on my truck now.
Solid rating. Okay, okay. I'm gonna let's go. Definitely add some points for the light bars on the front. I love the light bars, because I've got something similar on mine. 33s, obviously we got to go up some points on that. Love the 33s on the stock. Is it leveled? No leveling kit? I'm an easy judge. It's got to be leveled or at least lowered in the back a little bit. I'd say for what a little dark tint on there, just a little bit. Is there exhaust? Is it loud? Nope. Hey, what happened? What happened? We were good. Let me know in the comments what y'all. I'm gonna be real nice. Not that I would be mean, but I'm gonna go like 7, 7.5. It's hard to get 8, 9, or 10 because I wouldn't even put mine at 8, 9, or 10 because no truck's perfect. You know, everybody's gonna have a different opinion. My dad drives a Ram, a brand new Ram, so you know.
Aside from it being dirty and all,
I got guys that can fix that.
I mean, shoot, you here? We might as well wash it.
Yeah, let's watch it. I thought it was gonna rain. I guess not. The rain done disappeared now.
What you holding, man? What you holding?
Holding what?
In your hand.
The G7X.
Looks kind of funny.
What, little small one?
No, I'm just. Why you walking around with a camera, weirdo?
So this is our plan today. My truck gets washed by Matt. Matt washes my truck all the time, even though he was getting kind of salty with it the other day. And Matt, don't think I forgot. Don't think I've forgotten about that. But Darrius ain't washed his truck in at least a month, and he doesn't have a Matt on his team. He doesn't have a Matt in his life. I've come a long way, and we're gonna wash his truck today. That is our plan. I mean, look at this.
Don't get too close now.
Look. I don't.
That's vandalism.
Very lightly to not mess up the paint, but can you guys see the bread gang? It's stamped. It's in history now. We're gonna wash the truck. I really like, wow. 33 1250s, 20s. You need some 22s, my guy. I wish this was the newer Rams have the same bolt pattern as my truck, yeah. And we could actually switch.
Oh, they don't?
Yeah, mine's a 6 lug, yours is 5.
Damn.
But the newer Rams have the, yeah, that would have been crazy.
So, quick question, like, before we get to washing, you want me to take off my shirt, shorts, and I got bathing suit, 2-piece and
No.
Are you sure?
What the?
All right.
I need to work. Hey, look, real shit though. I need to work on my. That's bad. Christina been getting. Oh wow, smack myself in the face. Christina been getting on to me about that one. That's bad. The farmer's tan.
Where?
Christina been on to me about that. Oh wow, I'm about to have a hand. Wow. I'm assuming you know how to wash a truck though. And you do have a really short hose though.
Hey, I was telling him that we're gonna have to wash half my truck and then turn it around and wash the other half because it's only so long. So. Damn, this grass is really nice. So Darrius ran inside for a second because his dog's in there acting a fool.
And like I said, we had stopped and got some food coloring, and we're gonna dump some food coloring into one of his buckets and just kind of see how it goes. I don't really know what his reaction is gonna be. I'm hoping he's not too upset, considering I've only met him like once or twice. Shh, just keep watching. I don't know how he hasn't come back outside yet. We're gonna sit this. Look at this. This is like this. I kind of regret this already.
Wash my truck for me.
You know, the truck looks a lot better when it's white.
This the spot.
Because you're. One thing I love about washing white trucks is you can really tell the difference between the two. Once it starts to get clean.
Bro, what the? What is this?
Is that sponge like?
It's all over my sponge too, bro.
What, bro? Why is this shit blue?
Nah, maybe it's the. Bro, it's gotta be the sponge.
Bro, it's got all of my shoes.
It's gotta be the sponge.
What do you mean? I just bought this.
It's gotta be the sponge.
That's on you.
Cheap ass sponge.
It doesn't matter. Why is it blue?
I mean,
Is this gonna stain my truck? Damn.
you know, it's like a canvas.
What the?
Like a canvas.
What the? Wait. Why is the water blue, bro? What are you doing?
It's like a canvas.
Dude, stop. You're gonna. If this stains my truck, bro, you're chill. Stop.
Get this shit off.
It looks good.
Dude, until it stains my truck.
It looks
Chill.
good.
Look, it's lit. What about the driveway? This is brand new driveway.
Damn, I didn't even think about the driveway.
I mean, you might as well get. Bro, see what you're doing, bro.
Look,
Put
look.
the damn bucket down.
Look.
Bro, put
Look.
the damn bucket down.
Look.
What do you mean, look? Is that ink? What is it, bro?
What if I put YBD on my shirt?
I don't care, bro. Put it. Stop.
You're kind of scaring me now.
What are you talking
It
about?
was a joke. It's
It's
food coloring.
Wash the shit off my truck.
It's food coloring.
Well, let me see.
It's
Where's
food
it?
coloring. It's over there. It's over there. You're gonna scare the neighbors. It's food coloring. Look.
Nah, bro. Come all up here and wash my truck, bro.
It's food coloring.
You got it all on me, all on my shoes, white laces and all.
White laces. Damn.
You not done washing. Keep washing. I don't know what the fuck you thought was gonna happen.
know-
Where's the food coloring then? Is this ink or
It's
what?
over there. It's over there. Look.
Bruh.
Look.
That shit was blue.
Look.
That's gotta be ink.
Look. Scaring the neighbors.
Oh, nah, see? Yeah, you got the camera and all.
This is bullshit, bro. Stop playing, son. I'll throw this. No. I'll wash my own from now on. Stop, bro. Put the sponge down.
You do need a longer hose.
Yeah, cause your ass wanna be out here washing all this off the driveway too. Why are you playing with the damn water? Wash my truck, bro. Bro, I don't care about the driveway.
You better be joking, cuz.
What's it? No, what's in that one?
It's water. Put your hand in. It's water.
You put your damn hand in it.
It's water.
Rinse it off.
You got a short hose. It's all gone. It was like a waterfall when it blew.
Can't prank me, son. What is this one? This one's still going.
That
Look,
wide.
he tried to prank me, y'all.
That wide.
Now you end up washing my truck.
Can I actually wash it now?
Let me see the food. Where's the food coloring, bro?
Can I actually wash it?
I don't care. Lame prank. Now, if you really would have inked my truck up, we would have been fighting for real. You ruined me my sponge and all. Look. Now, what about the next time I go to wash my truck?
I'm I'm gonna have to
or
buy
wash something.
I'm gonna have to buy you a new sponge.
You damn right you're gonna have to buy me a new sponge. An expensive one too.
Microfiber even. That's good B-roll right there.
Talking about some damn B-roll. You need damn B-roll in my truck.
I feel bad. I felt bad. I felt so bad. Like. All right. It's time to come clean. It's time to come clean. This was a prank.
Wasn't even funny.
It wasn't even funny, but it kind of was. I do need to. Yeah, I need to.
If you really would have died my truck, we would have had a problem talking about, oh, this is a canvas.
That was pretty. I don't know. That first prank. I think that was my first prank that I've ever attempted.
Fail.
I appreciate you being such a willing contestant, though.
You just better be glad it didn't mess up my truck.
Look. The truck's perfectly fine. It did not damage the truck.
Hey.
It's beautiful and clean. We're actually gonna finish and wash it.
Look how dark this is, y'all. Look how look. I'm gonna put it on my hand. Look, it looks like ink. Look at that.
That was so dark. I wasn't expecting anything like that. I didn't think it would be that dark, to be honest. That really looked like ink.
Yes, it does.
Maybe I didn't do that bad after all. We spent the whole afternoon pretty much trying to wash the truck, and he only ended up, I'm gonna expose him a little bit. He only ended up washing one side of the truck. Hey, I've left my mark though. Can y'all see that? Can y'all see that on the, y'all see the bread gang on the side? I think the bread gang side looks better than the other side does, to be honest. Real talk. Love the truck, absolutely love the truck. I'm assuming it's the 5.7. Put some exhaust, maybe some straight pipe. That thing's gonna look super, super clean. I think this side looks pretty good too though, because it's branded. It's got the bread gang on the side. Huge shout out to you guys. Thank you guys so much for stopping back by. Day 122 in the books. We're on the road to 365 days straight. Y'all stick with the vlogs. Thank you guys so much for the support. Hit that subscribe button, join the bread gang, because you know what we do. Hey, you wanna say it?
Hey,
you wanna say it?
let's get this bread, baby. Get this bread, baby. That's what I'm talking about.